you got different personalities bro. I mean, you got Kelly, who's a sweet guy, pero pag nagalit,
I see Kelly's pissed off. He asked me to leave him alone. Don't take pictures a while ago and then sabi niya, leave me alone.
si Boogie medyo ano rin, OC din.
Papaano kita mapapahili
Tapos si Jorel, OC.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chords.
Tapos si June is a brilliant musician. Tapos Mark, we all know Mark, iba yung perfectionist ko.
Save me from my emotions.
Napaka-strong ng personality sila. Tapos magkakaibigan pa sila. Pag nag-argue sila, may argument sila. So they communicate. Communication, right? It's easy. So, kung magkakagulo man sa banda, they communicate easily because they're friends. So come to, the demands of a label, as far as I'm concerned, I'll write my own music talaga. If you don't like it, one as a rock band, but here, we got a lot, I'm telling you, a lot of elements thrown in the album. We got Two Step Mark, that song, you got electronic influence there.